Bonjour! Welcome to lesson 14, moving right on from lesson 13, no quiz. Time to learn some grammar. So this lesson is basically focused on one grammatical structure and just learning how to use it. And that grammatical structure is les pronoms compléments. So before I show you anything about that, let's think through some things in English. So if I wanted to say, I am talking to my friend, right? Or I am talking to Doug, okay? I can say either of those things. You know how to say those things in French. I am talking to, je parle, to my friend, à mon copain, right? I'm talking to my friend. Now in English, we can also say, I'm talking to him. If I want to replace my friend or Doug with that pronoun, him, I can. But you don't know how to say that in French yet. And that's what we're going to look at today. So you heard when I just said those sentences, I'm talking to him. The him comes at the end of the sentence, right? It comes after the verb. Or I showed her the boat. I showed her the boat. Her comes after the verb, right? Show her. Okay. In French, I'll just show you. So for instance, tu me parles? Are you talking to me? Tu me parles? Are you talking to me? So you can see here in bold, this me that means to me, comes before the verb. Okay? Interesting. Oui, je te parle. Yes, I'm talking to you. Once again, the te right before the verb. I'm talking to you. So where in English we would put it after the verb, in French it comes before the verb. Tu nous invites au concert? Tu nous invites au concert? Are you inviting us to the concert? Are you inviting us to the concert? Once again, that pronoun comes before the verb. Oui, je vous invite. Yes, I'm inviting you. Yes, I'm inviting you. Vous before invite. Okay, what if it was a negative sentence though? Non, je ne vous invite pas. Non, je ne vous invite pas. No, I am not inviting you. The vous still comes before invite, and the ne pas goes around both words, right? So ne vous invite pas. So the rule in French with these words is that object pronouns, which is what these are called, so they're the object of the verb, come immediately before the verb. They come before the verb just like this. And so there are a few of them. These are all of them, me, te, nous, vous, but I'll show them to you in a chart so you can see a little more closely. Okay, so the pronoun that matches je is me, right? Me or to me. So Eric me téléphone. Eric is calling me. Eric is calling me. Okay? Or il m'invite. Il m'invite. He is inviting me. He is inviting me. Okay? So it's me or M apostrophe before a vowel sound like m'invite. Okay, tu, te is the pronoun that matches it. It means you or to you. So Anne te parle. Anne te parle. Anne is talking to you. Anne is talking to you. Or elle t'écoute aussi. Elle t'écoute aussi. She is listening to you also. Okay? Then the one that matches nous, these two are easy. Nous and vous. Nous is nous, means us or to us. Tu nous téléphones. Tu nous téléphones. You are telephoning, you're calling us. You are calling us. And then tu nous invites. You're inviting us. You are inviting us. Okay? And then vous, same as nous, it's just the same. Vous means you or to you. Je vous parle. Je vous parle. I am talking to you or to you all. And je vous écoute. Je vous écoute. I am listening to you or I am listening to you all. Okay? So the only thing you have to remember here is that the object pronoun goes before the verb. Let's take a look at your practice because it is super important that you understand how to do this because the only thing in your quiz is this. It doesn't want to let us leave the PowerPoint. Okay. So, you are going to complete the following dialogues in the affirmative for 1 through 3. You can see they all start with bien sûr, of course, or oui, yes. And then the negative for 4 through 6. No, no, no. Use the verbs underlined and the pronouns that fit. Okay, so you can see in the example here. Before we even read the sentence, we see that our verb that's underlined is téléphone. Okay, call. So, tu me téléphones ce soir. Okay, we know it's a question, so are you calling me tonight? Are you calling me tonight? So just think in your head, don't get too bogged down in the French. Think in your head, you're calling me tonight. What would the answer to that be? Yes, I am calling you tonight, right? Okay, so oui. Je am calling you te téléphone. And then, à 8 heures, the answer. It'll be filled in for you here. You don't have to worry. You only have to worry about subject, pronoun, verb. And that's the order it goes in. Subject, pronoun, verb. Okay, oui, je te téléphone à 8 heures. So you're basically just flipping it. So let's look at this other one as well. Tu m'invites à ta boum. That should be a question mark. Tu m'invites à ta boum. Are you inviting me to your party? Are you inviting me to your party? Okay, so we want to say, yes, I am inviting you to my party. So oui, or bien sûr, je, and then inviting you, so the pronoun I need is te, but invite starts with a vowel, so it's te apostrophe, and then invite. And since I'm conjugating invite for je, there's no S, je t'invite. And that's it. Bien sûr, je t'invite. Finished. Okay, so that's how it'll work for the affirmative sentences. But now in the negative sentences, remember, ne and pas go around the entire phrase, both the pronoun and the verb. So, for example, tu nous attends après la classe. Tu nous attends après la classe. Are you waiting for us after class? Are you waiting for us after class? So my answer here, since it's supposed to be negative, will be no, I am not waiting for you all after class, right? It's you all because it's nous. So, no, je, and then I know it's negative, so I start off with my ne, je ne, okay? I know that the verb, or the pronoun I'm gonna need is vous, right? I'm not waiting for you, so vous, and then attends, and then pas, right? To finish off our ne pas. Je ne vous attends pas. And that's it. So I want you to do this practice. I want you to try doing it without looking at your notes because me, te, nous, and vous are not that hard to remember. You know, if you can remember those 4 words, you should be able to do this. It'll be a little challenging probably, but don't worry, you'll get more practice in our next set of video and practice, but we're also going to add new information. So you may have noticed that I only taught you how to say me to me, you to you, us to us, and you all to you all, and I didn't teach you how to say him, her, or them. We will learn those later. Not right now. We're not worried about them now. Okay. If you have any questions, send me an email, leave a comment on the assignment, and au revoir.